The VS13X currently supports two methods of multi-device stitching, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Before configuring multi-device stitching, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, devices need to be installed next to each other at the same height, and the detection areas are tangential or overlapping. Second, for details about devices multi-stitching, please refer to User Guide. It should be noted that if the master device is VS135P high, select the bind method as PoE. If not, select the bind method as Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi access point of the master device. Third, when the reflective strips provided are not obvious on the test floor, it is recommended to place a brightly colored reference object that is different from the floor color to better achieve seamless splicing of the views of the two devices. In this video, for PoE connections, we use reflective strips as highlight marks, and for Wi-Fi connections, we use carpets as highlight marks. How to achieve multi-device stitching via Ethernet. This section will take VS133P as an example. Please install the VS133P refers to the user guide properly. The VS13X supports 3 modes for multi-device stitching, expanding detection coverage. In standalone mode, the device operates as a standalone device to count people. In node mode, the device operates as a node device to forward live view and tracks to the master device. In master mode, the device operates as a master device to receive live view and tracks from other node device. For the VS133, one master device can connect 3 node devices at most. For the VS135, one master device can connect 7 slave devices at most. To fully introduce the configuration, let's set this VS133P device to master mode. Then, start with the rule module again to configure detection settings. In the node devices list, devices that are in the same local area network as the master device and have been set to node mode will be automatically searched. Select the node device and enter the device password. Fill in the installation height of the node device and relative position information if these parameters are already measured. If not, save the default settings. Select the node device from the multi-device list, then click Adjust Relative Position. Drag the live view of the node device to adjust the location and angle. Tips: you can cut staff tags or reflective stripes into pieces and stick them on the ground where the areas overlap. The relative position parameters will change automatically based on your operations. Repeat the above operations to bind the other 2 node devices. The new live view will be stitched together. Settle down more detection configuration. The VS133P can automatically detect the installation height and allows you to define the target height detection range. The counting strategy includes all the settings about people counting. Select tracking modes for head or feet. It should be noted that only feet tracking is supported when the working mode is multi-device stitching. How to achieve multi-device stitching via Wi-Fi. This section will take VS135 as an example. Please install the VS135 refers to the user guide properly. And noted that PoE version can only be the node device for Wi-Fi connection. Set the VS135 4G version as a master device to receive live view and tracks from other node device. Set the VS135 PoE version as a node device to forward live view and tracks to the master device. Select the Wi-Fi method. The master device is within the same local area as the node device will be displayed. Choose and connect to the desired master device. Navigate to the rule module of the master device. Click Bind Node 1 in the multi-device list. Select the node device and enter the device password. Fill in the installation height of the node device and relative position information if these parameters are already measured. If not, save the default settings. Select the node device from the multi-device list, then click Adjust Relative Position. The adjustment can be realized by simply draging the live view. Tips: it is recommended that using a brightly colored object different from the floor to aid in seamless view splicing. Like in this video, we use a carpet as a highlight marker. The dashboard will automatically the frames for viewing the stitching devices and the master device. Return to the node device. The connected status means the device stitching is done.